Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, iron workers, lasers, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over, yes, this is this big. I'm a big guy, but this is a huge machine. It's a 140-ton Piranha. I think this is the largest one we've ever had in here. We have its little baby sister, which looks very, very similar. It's a 110-ton sitting right next to it. You can see they have different setups in here. This particular one has a real nice press brake setup with a 4-way die down there. They're using mostly pressing or doing some type of bending on there. And on this guy, you have more of a punching setup. Real nice big squared out table, gauge system. Make it really easy for repeatability on your punching. Back ends are basically the same. You're gonna get your shear, your angle, and your notcher. We'll go through some of these functions, just show you how easily it is to move from every machine or every part of this. When I say every machine, it's because there's multiple machines built into this one in a very nice, small, compact area. Right now we have on our foot pedal, we have a set on our punch. Now as soon as we hit our limit switches here on the side, that's how you'd set your different depths for your different materials. This particular machine comes with a lot of tooling. Another great reason to buy used machinery, you end up getting sometimes the value of the entire machine in just tooling. So you can see all that. We have our lights here are up and down to let you know where we're going. We'll put it in our manual jog mode. And the light's going to tell you basically which way you're going, up or down. This is how you're going to go ahead and set up into your material. Make sure you have everything set. You can work and adjust your limit switches. That's how you get all that set up. We're going to go ahead to the other side. I'll show you how all the shearing side works. Let's go see how that works. Now you can see the back side of this monster, and this is where your shearing will work out. Here's going to be your Copper notcher, your square notch. You'll have your angle, and then your straight. And this thing boasts a 1-inch by 14-inch plate. That's amazing. Very, very thick, heavy material. We'll go ahead and show you just how easy it is to switch back and forth to this one. Right now, you'll notice we do have it on foot pedal. We would usually have this guard over it, obviously, but for demonstration purposes, we'll let you see it. Now, notice the notcher is up at this time. We'll step on our foot pedal, it comes down. Nice and smooth. See, it makes nice square notches. You could bite off corners, whatever you need to do. And check the specs on this. They're very, very thick materials that this guy can cut very efficiently. Now we're gonna go ahead and switch it now so that the back side here on the shear is at the up angle. So now you would have that if you're gonna be cutting in our shear here, again 1-inch maximum, and you also have a bar capacity over there. You see the bar shear. We just come around the top here and just kind of show the shear blade. You can see the bar shear cut out over there, and then the blade. And notice here on the back end, this Copper blade is now in the down position because we have our shear in the up position. Very simple. Now I'll step on the foot pedal, and we have our shear coming down as well as our hold down. The front rubber hold downs are going to hold down the plate, and the shear cuts really efficiently right through it. Again, if you need joystick operation, you can do that as well. Get everything set up if you have to. If you're inching down on some lines here and you want to come in, you can go ahead and do that. Make a nice easy cut. Amazing how heavy duty these are. You can see this other one right here. This is the 110-ton. Really just about the same capacities. Shearing, notching. If you take a look at this 140-ton, we were talking about tooling a little earlier. Not only do you get this whole tool table and the setup with the scales, you get all this punch tooling. You got 2 different size pipe notching dies. And on the other side, If this looks a little small to you, we have all the largest sizes that you could put in here. You can see it's a huge punch setup that you can get inside of this Ironworker. Depending if you make them custom or buy them from Piranha, we also love to help you out with that. We sell new as well as used. Give us a call. Let us know how we can help. 626-444-0311. Check out our website for our most recent inventory, some great financing options, and some awesome machines at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, ironworkers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.